Now that looks like a lot of fun. I'd love to have a go on that. I might be considered just a wee bit too old at 74. Don't know why, but I guess that might be the case. Yeah. All good fun. Okay, this looks pretty good fun too. Whoa, look at all the fun I'm missing out on just because I'm not young anymore.
One last chance, everybody, arms up.
Hey, there we go.
Excellent. Up the last mountain climb. Coming back down again.
Oh, to be a kid again, eh? Marvellous. Ooh, there we go. Well, there we go. We're back at the park again in Parramatta. I don't know what this park's called, but who cares? And there's the beautiful Ferris wheel, all floodlit. Well, not floodlit, neon lit or LED lit or something. Pretty spectacular. I love my coloured lights. I do love my coloured lights. That's really something. I might go for a little stroll around the park in a minute and see what else is all floodlit and glorious and wonderful. I could spend hours watching this. In fact, I might do just that. But I won't bore you with it, I'll move on from it.
With the Kazuki, they usually make a group Facebook.
Here we are at the Dodgems. It's been a few years since I've seen the Dodgems. Reminds you of the good old Barnet Fair in North London. What a wonderful street for the kids. Jammed up, that always happens. So yeah, it's all on. Everyone's having a great time. There's the beautiful Ferris wheel again. What a wonderful event. Someone's gone to a lot of trouble over this. Kids are loving it.